Okay, so we're making slime again. As in the previous video, since my siblings are gone this time, in the previous video they're just playing with our slime. But now we're making another slime. Of course, put the borax in, the teaspoon of borax in our hot water. Stir it with this spoon.
1 cup of hot water, right?
Yeah, 1 cup of hot water. I forgot to say that. Of course, as the last video, we started this for a little while.
Starting to kind of dissolve and the water's turning clearer. Yeah.
Just like last time. It made a pot dissolve. We'll let it dissolve. Where'd the spatula go?
I don't know. I thought it was
Right
over here next to you.
Sorry guys, we kind of lost our spatula. Rachel, do you know where it is? Okay. Robbie, do you know where our plastic spatula went?
Oh, I bet I left it in the kitchen.
Oh,
I'm gonna go check the drain. Sorry. Daddy messed that one up.
It's still in the drain.
Missing equipment here.
Okay.
And we're back.
And we're back. I found the spatula. It wasn't.
Now we need our glue
Yes.
solution.
Yes. And of course, 1 cup of water this time, and 1 cup of slime, or not slime, glue.
A cup of water and a cup of glue. Equal portions by volume. That seems to be a pretty popular recipe, so I expect this one to make a fairly standard slime.
Oh, that's perfect.
I think we need just a little more.
Actually, that's on the line.
Is it? Okay, yeah, you can see it better from the outside. Good job.
Yeah, from my side you can see it better. I just had to see so I could do it. Okay.
So this time we're not using the borax spoon to stir the glue into the water.
Yeah, because last time I forgot.
It kind of started getting stringy on us and the glue wouldn't mix all the way in because it was already forming strands of slime in our glue mixture. Maybe this will make it a little easier to mix.
I'm sitting on my knees, that's why I seem so tall.
Hey, anybody can be tall on the internet.
This is actually how short I am, even though I'm 9 years old. Oh, that's all I'm sitting down.
Can you guys get away?
But I usually do this so I can see slime better. But if I sit down like this, I can see it on the side better. Soon, our borax is not dissolving over here.
The more you play with it, the more sticky it gets.
I'm trying to do different ways with this one.
This is not sticky to me at all. Look at my hands.
Is this where
I can go wash
I'm using both hands for stirring? You know, it's really weird though because I'm not very used to stirring with my left hand. I'm right-handed.
We got them about ready?
Yeah. It's still a little stringy in there. And this finally dissolved on borax.
Can I see that one?
What?
What does it kind of look like here? It's mostly mixed, don't you think?
Yeah, it's kind of mixing.
Hey, no.
I wonder how we'll react to our borax water.
Gently. You have to play with it gently and not dig your hands into it. Don't dig your hands
Okay,
into
do you
it.
think we should pour our borax water in?
Whoa.
If you think it's ready. Seems good to me, I think.
Good.
And slowly add it in and keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir.
So stop. Couldn't believe you let me play with it.
Oh yeah, this is getting better. It's reacting right away and getting tiny heavy.
They won't let me play with the slime. They keep putting their hands in.
Yeah, what do you guys think?
Oh, yeah, we're getting something.
Rub it out, okay?
I'd keep stirring it vigorously because it's going to separate and be harder to do as it goes. And you want to get it good and incorporated.
I'm going to make
My
this.
chair.
You can already tell where the siblings are playing with the first batch. It's definitely gotten more of a smooth consistency. I want to bring that over here for a second while you're still stirring that. Here, drop that back in the bowl, please.
Yeah, because you don't want
Pass me a glob of slime. That's how you got it all over your hand.
Yep, he got it all over his hands and I
yeah, here's our first
That's our first batch from a few minutes ago. We just had to...
We'll look at it all closer, I'm sure, in our comparison video, but you can kind of get a preview there. This one has smoothed out and clumped together.
But right now we haven't...
Look at that, you can kind of tear it. That's one of the characteristics of these kind of slimes, is that if you pull it slowly, it oozes. If you snatch it, it tears.
Yeah, it tears, but it still sticks back together.
Do you remember what that's called?
No.
A non-Newtonian fluid.
Well, I'm in 3rd grade, I didn't know about that. At least I should be in 4th grade. But
well, like I said, this is a classic science experiment that you'll get to learn more about for years of school to come.
That fly left my back.
It's a fancy word that you probably don't know anything about yet.
No.
But it doesn't behave like other more common liquids.
Yeah.
And you could have guessed that because it's not really the normal way you expect a liquid to behave, is it?
It's like coming out your hand and my head.
The thing's dripping on the table. Can I have a paper towel, guys?
Oh, yes.
That one is ripped.
I don't care if it rips. I just need a paper towel because something's dripping from under the table. And right here, apparently. Must be some water that fell.
Just take, Robbie, just take some slime. So I can make this.
Mind if I give it a
like,
couple of scoops?
Yeah.
Let's see what we've got in here.
Don't get that, Robbie. That one's
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
But it definitely still needs some mixing though, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Just like a, ooh, I made a mess.
Robbie, can I mix your slime?
Sorry.
Don't make too much mess with our slime.
I was overly vigorous.
I like it so far. I like how we're making slime right now. I like mixing slime, but right
Definitely
now...
got some separation and strands forming though, even though we didn't have nearly as much water as the last one.
Hey, I made a bubble pop.
I kind of wish your camera had the feature mine did. So we had a different, me and my dad had phones, but mine had a different thing. And we were hoping we could pause it, but his doesn't do that setting, apparently. And so now we have to, now we're just gonna have to edit. So right now we're making like 3 different videos.
I just didn't want to spend the whole day playing with cell phone camera software instead of actually doing our experiment. So this will be fine for this time.
Because tomorrow, which is Monday for me, for us, but not for most of you guys. So, and then we're going to school, at least me and my sister. My younger siblings, there's Rachel, are not going to school tomorrow. It's Monday tomorrow, and me and Rachel get to go to our school.
And I'm going to 2nd grade.
The crazy thing is, about my grade, is I have to go downstairs to get to 3rd grade. And then I have to figure out which classroom is mine, which will be a little bit easier because they have our names on certain doors. And I just have to remember my name is at the top of the door.
Get a clump. Robbie, get a clump.
It's starting to get better.
Robbie, get a clump.
It's still stringy. It's still stringy and stuff.
I got you a clump already, Robbie. Get you a clump. Josiah.
But I think it's going to be really cool.
Josiah, wash your hands before you get back to play with that.
What's really cool
Josiah,
about
slime all over Robbie's new toy.
Is we have the office is right through, but if you're not allowed to go through the office, but you have so what you have to do is you have to go through the kindergarten. So Josiah is going into the kindergarten. That means all 3 of us will be walking together until Josiah gets to his class. Then my sister will be walking together because her class is right next to the stairs that I have to go downstairs to 3rd grade, and then I'll just be alone until I get to my classroom, of course. But still, I thought it was going to be really cool because all of my siblings, except for Robert, will be with me. That's his real name. That's why I said it. Really call him Robbie though.
What have we got going on here?
So it feels really clumpy.
Still not kind of coming together yet.
It's clumpy. It's a little clumpy, but it's just not. It's stringing and it's breaking.
So how long do you want to
go with this? Or you want to
cut and come back to it for our comparison video.
We'll come back to it later because, well, this slime doesn't look like it's going very good, but we will look at it later.
I think it may just need some more time.
Yeah.
And so this is the pretty standard recipe.
Yeah.
So what do we want to do for our next video?
I think we're going to make less water with the next one.
That sounds like an interesting thing. There's quite a few videos that don't add the extra water to their glue. They just kind of use some kind of borax solution or contact solution that contains borax. I think a lot of people don't know it does, but it does. Same thing.
Stop. Robbie, I said get
But yeah, I've noticed some of those recipes don't call for the extra water at all, so it'll be interesting to see the comparison between using a lot of water and a little water and even less water.
This is really sticky, so I want to play with this one for a little while until it goes better, but okay.
The next slime will be better.
Yeah,
well, we'll see you for the next video.
Yep.